Hello students. So the first step in our last video was 0 to 12 memorizing the numbers. Now further from 13 to 19 how to keep in my mind. Now try to write the page if you haven't written in your classwork notebook. If you have already written, ignore to write it double time. Okay? Now from 13 to 19, how to memorize the numbers. Now, your basic step of learning was 0 to 12. If you know from 0 to 12, it becomes very easy for 13 till 19. Yeah? So, the last digit if you see 1 and 3, there are 2 digits in the number. The last digit of these 2 digits is 3. So, the last digit is 3. If I give you 3 chocolates, how many should I give you more to make it 13 chocolates? Yeah? So, I should give you more, of course, 10. 10. Okay? So, 10 in German we have learnt in our last video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it and then only come to this video. 13 becomes 13. So, 14. You have to go backward. 14. This is your trick to keep in mind. 13, 14, 15. I am going to skip 16 and 17 for some time. 18, 19. Practice 13, 14, 15, 18 and 19. 13, 14, 15, 18, 19. If you know till here, 16 and 17 you have to take little effort to memorize. Okay? So this, I don't have any trick for this. So you can keep in your mind. Actually, 6 in German we say 6. And 7 we say sieben. But in these two numbers we have to cut the last digits. So 16 becomes, we have to cut S, it becomes SECH. Whenever this CH comes in this number, the sound of this CH is kind of sh. You can write in your native language with pencil sh. Okay? Zesh. This becomes Z. This is already Z. CH is sh over here, not k. Zesh, 10. Zesh, 10. Now when you are cutting S over here, you just have to cut here also something. That is EN. It becomes Zib. Zib, 10. I have a hint for y'all. These two words are starting with S. You can keep in mind as if. These both are friends starting with S. So these are best friends. So here if you are cutting S, here also you will cut something like this, you can keep in mind. 16, 17. One more thing. If here I put S and S, the sound of Z is similar to T and S. Little S sound is there in Z. So it becomes very little difficult to say S and Z together. So maybe they have cut S over here. There are no logics behind it, but just a trick to remember. 16, 17. Learn these two things and keep properly. Now, once you have learned the second step, your third step is just learning 20, 30, 40, 50 till 100. Only these digits. Yeah. So, the stars one are some special numbers where we have to learn it and keep. Like here, we will skip this star. So, fear. So, for fear, we just have to say vierzig. Z-I-G, little T and S or T and Z sound. Vierzig, Z-T-N-S, zish. If you know national language, T and S, zish. 40, 50, 80, neunzig. Yeah. Now for 30, ZIG is not there, beta is there, beta like alphabet is there. This beta like alphabet we are going to learn in depth while learning alphabets. Till then, the sound of little s should come. S. S for sambar, S for soap, S for snake, that sound. Sish. Little sish sound should come. As if we are saying sish. Yeah? Sish. SMS language. Try to write with pencil pronunciations. Dry sish. But everywhere else, when ZIG is there, try to say sish. This is very minute things which normally when you say it fast, nobody recognizes it, but you all should know it. 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah? 20 we cannot write zwei, so I told you all to learn it and keep. Otherwise from 30 to 90 you can say like 3, 4, 5. Here again Z and S cannot come together, so S we have removed. We have removed for here, so they both are best friends, so remove here also something. 60, 70. Now I am saying it together. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now the last digit. Try saying only hun, hun, and DERT can be said as how we say dirty in English and dirt, DIRT, dirt. In the same manner we can say this, hun dirt, hun dirt. Try watching the video, listen the voice properly and practice and then send me your audio. Now from 0 to 100. Now the last step is 21 to 30. So first step was 0 to 12 properly. Second step was 13 to 19. Third step was 20, 30 till 100. And the fourth is 21 to 30. If you know these 4 steps, you can of course by yourself can start from 0 to 100. You can write by yourself. Okay? 21 to 30. Same. We'll go backward. Okay? So for example 24. The last digit is 4. From 21 onwards, one extra thing we are adding which I have underlined and kept already. Und. Means and. Okay? 21. From last fear is there. So we are writing fear. How many should I add more to make it 24? 20 of course, right? So the third step is important over here to learn first. If you know 20, you can say 24. Fear, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 22. You will say, ma'am, everywhere we have cut 6 and 7. Why not here? Because S and Z is not coming together. Und is there in between. This is just an hint, students. Okay? So you can keep this hints in your mind. Over here, eins. Now here you have to learn and keep 21. 22. Every time 21, 31, 41, everywhere S will not be there. Only ein will be there. 21, 23, every time. Yeah? 21, 31, 41, every time there will be ein. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. When you are writing this vocabulary, it should look one word. Never write it separate. It should look one word or your marks are deducted. Now, If you know from 0 to 100, of course you can tell your age then. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? Coincidentally, English question is same like German in this context. Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Ich bin, I am, ich bin 35 Jahre alt. So according to your age, you can tell the number. According to my, I have told you. Ich bin 35 Jahre alt. Yeah? So practice this, make your own audio and do send it to me with proper pronunciation and explanation and the questions as well.